So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Michelle, and in this video I am going to be showing you how to do this cute hairstyle that you see right here in no time. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so I'm starting off with freshly washed and air dried hair, parting my hair down the middle and tying away the section I'm not going to work with at the moment. So I'm going to be using Shine and Jam to mold my hair in place. So as you can see here, I am adding the gel so that I'm able to mold the hair and to also prevent flyaways. But if you're not one of those gel girlies, you don't have to use gel, sis. You can just braid your hair like that. But I like the sleek look, you know. I like the sleek look. So that's why I'm going to smother that gel on there. Alrighty. And now I'm starting my braid. So this is not a how-to braid video, but I left the full clip of me braiding that side so that if you actually want to learn how to braid, you can go ahead and slow down the video and actually learn how to braid, because yeah, I left the whole clip of me braiding. So yes. So anyway, you guys, how have you been doing? Like, I'm trying to put more personality into my videos and also connect with you guys. How have you been doing? How has 2023 been? You know, recently I've just realized that sometimes I don't remember which year we're in. So sometimes I actually think it's 2024 for some reason. Like if I write the date somewhere or something like that, I write 2024 sometimes. But yeah, this year has just been going so fast, and I have learned so much this year, like a lot. Comment down below if you have also learned a lot this year. I've learned a lot, like spiritually, physically, relationship wise, like friendship wise, all of that. I have learned so much, and I'm actually grateful for this year because I can see growth in myself, you know, like so much growth, and that's a good thing. So anyway, you guys, I actually wanted to talk about being comfortable in who you are. Like, that's another growth element I've seen in my life now, right? So like, I've realized, I always say this to my boyfriend, that it's so funny how, like, in Zimbabwe, where I'm from, right, if you speak good English, you are considered as so educated. You are considered as on top over there, you know. And if you speak Shona, like our native language is Shona, you know. So if you speak Shona, then you're considered as low, down in the gutters, not educated. But if you compare, like, South Africans mix. They mix isiZulu, Xhosa, all of that. No one like looks down on them if they mix their languages, you know. So, but it shouldn't be like that, you know. Like, especially, I really do see it with Zimbabweans, that if you're speaking Shona, then girl, they don't look at you as someone who is educated or who knows English, you know. Well, you know what, you guys? I have decided to start incorporating my language into my videos because I am proud of where I come from, okay? I am very, very proud of where I come from. So you're gonna hear some of Shana here and there. I will put subtitles sometimes. Or, yeah, I should put subtitles, but I will probably say the English word first before I say the Shana word, you know? So, yeah. So as you can see, guys, I have completed the one side. It was so easy. I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial so far and you are understanding it. And I also hope that you're enjoying this little chit chat we got going on. If you are, sis, go ahead and hit the like button and consider subscribing. It's free, sis. It's free. Don't be a hater. Come on, don't be a hater. Oh my gosh, I look like a baby. I have such a baby face. You guys, people mistaken me for being a teenager. When they look at me, they'll be like, so, what grade are you in? Like, girl, I'm fully grown. Dakura. Like, well, not that I'm saying I'm old, but I'm not a teenager. But that's a very nice compliment. I'm like, oh, thank you. Thank you for the compliment. Then they'll be like, so how old are you? Then I tell them. And they're like, whoa. I'm like, God's grace. Yes, so it's all done now. So I'm gonna use these rubber bands to just create like a small little ponytail so that I can attach the braiding hair. So this is the braiding hair that I'm going to use, and you're using angels at this long. It's not the full packet. I've used some, but this should do because I don't want the knot to be too thick. Okay, so the first knot is done. I wanted to do it on camera, but I was like, you know what, just do it first, not on camera. That's where I got to be so that it stays. But yes, let's do the other side. So you guys, with this top knot, all you're doing is just twisting that braiding hair, going round and round and round. That's all you're doing, like as you can see over here. So you twist it and you just go round and round and round. Yeah, that's just basically it. And then in the end, I just left that small piece, right, so that I can just wrap it around the base of the hair, and I sprayed some got-to-be glue so that it sticks and it does not go nowhere. Trust me, sis, it's not going anywhere. Okay, this got-to-be is ooh-wee. Okay, you guys, so this is it. The double braided knot buns. Well, I made them 2 knot buns. Anyway, this one I did off camera. Came out good. On this one, I don't know. I don't know. I'm not sure. But anyway, you know what? It's cute. So, yeah. Let us do our edges. So basically, you guys, for my edges, I use the got-to-be invincible styling gel. Is it gel? Glue? I think it's gel. Yeah, but it holds my edges like all day, you guys. And then in the end, I just sprayed some of the got-to-be on my edges so that they stay in place for longer, and it worked out really, really, really well. Highly recommended. So now, you guys, I'm just setting my style in place by just blow drying it, and voila, this is the finished look. Oh my goodness, I love it, you guys. It's super easy and so cute. So comment down below what you think and if you're gonna try this video. And if you do, comment your channel down below and I will definitely support you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, take care and stay blessed. Baby,